Hey YouTube, it's Doug here from Bessie Custom Fab. It's been a while. No, not working on the Model A today. As much as I'd like to, I got work to do. Working on stair stringer. There's 2 stair stringers there and a bunch of scrap laying on top of it. And some handrails, so stick around. So this is a 3-piece handrail. It's got some really kind of slick connection points so that when you bolt it together you won't see bolts and screws and shit, welds, whatever hanging out. It's got to get powder coated so it can only be a certain length, and this is going to be like 35 feet long, so that's out of the question. So we're going to make it in pieces. The posts, you can see I've got all the layout done and pilot holes drilled. Some holes get drilled out to 1/4 inch, some get tapped 1/4 20. I'm going to bolt the posts on through the deck from the back side, so everything's got to be hidden. That's easy. This is going to get capped later. That's good. I can put a nut. Where's a nut? Hey, there's a nut. There's a nut too. This one, I can fit a nut there and access it to tack it in. Perfect. The other one is 8.5 inches higher here. Obviously, I can't get in there to tack a nut on. It's not going to happen. So, what I'm doing is I am drilling this out to 9/16, and then I'm putting a nut in there, TIG welding it on. Forgot to turn my gas on at first. That's no good. Anyway, here's my quick process for doing that. I grind the nuts down a little bit. Whoa, come on. Nothing focuses, come on. Like that. I just have a bolt that I cut off, and I have this little piece here. You could use a nut, but I have that and it works really well. And all I do is I just thread that nut on there. Now remember, never put your grinder in a vise and lock the trigger on. Don't ever do it, it's unsafe. I'm using a caliper to get it to the right size, and when I do, where's the camera? There you are. I put it in there, gently use the beater stick, get it started, make sure it's nice and square, and then I can take this bolt out and make some more noise. Get it close to flush. Not bad. Can we get a video of the TIG welding? I don't know. Let's try it. We can all go blind together. Watch closely. get a couple tacks on there, then weld it up, and then it'll look like that, but better, hopefully, with no porosity. And then I'll just take the flap wheel or my grinding disc, sanding disc, and grind it off. And these ones are easy. I can weld inside there. That's how I do it, just a grinder and a drill. It's my lathe. Hilbilly Lathe, we call it. Thanks for watching. Bessie Custom Fab. Like my videos, subscribe. Rock and roll.